Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on graduate research programs in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, College of Design and Engineering at National University of Singapore. My name is Zhou Guangya. I'm the Deputy Head of the department in charge of the graduate programs. So we are part of the College Design and Engineering at NUS, a hub where innovation meets practical applications. Today, I'm also proud to share that according to 2026 QS World University Ranking by subject, our department is ranked 3rd in the world for mechanical, aeronautical, and manufacturing engineering. This ranking reflects our commitment to excellence and our position as a global leader in research and education in the field of mechanical engineering. Our department is home to a range of state-of-the-art facilities and laboratories that bridging theory and practice. As you can see from those images, our research is diverse and highly specialized. We have 14 research and teaching labs dedicated to all areas of modern mechanical engineering. Those include impact mechanics, robotics, acoustics, mechatronics, fluid mechanics, and microsystem technology. Whether it is advanced manufacturing or thermal process, our state-of-the-art facilities are designed to tackle the most complex engineering challenges in the modern era. To ensure our research remains relevant and impactful, we focus on 6 strategic thrust areas. These areas are interconnected to drive innovation and impact. They include robotics and machine intelligence, advanced manufacturing, smart and functional materials, thermal and energy systems, decarbonization, circular economy, and resilient systems, and computational engineering. These 6 pillars guide our curriculum and our collaborative research projects. Let's dive deep into some of our key research teams. The first team I'd like to introduce is the advanced manufacturing and smart materials. Our goal here is to develop next-generation materials and process that enable Industry 4.0 and beyond and create sustainable high-performance product. We are leading innovations in additive manufacturing, focused on multi-scale 3D printing and light-weighted composites. Our smart manufacturing research integrates digital twins, machine learning, and AI to bring precision to computer numerical control and mental forming. Perhaps the most exciting is our work on futuristic materials. Those are nature-inspired, self-healing, biodegradable materials designed for healthcare, energy, and robotics. Our second major team is robotics and machine intelligence. We are integrating AI and advanced computation to create autonomous solutions for complex real-world environments. Our research includes autonomous systems, specifically multi-robot path planning for logistics and search and rescue. Bio-inspired robotics, where we emulate the natural system for locomotion and manipulation in challenging terrains. Advanced mobility, focusing on autonomous vehicles, coordination, and traffic control. Computational mechanics, which utilize high-performance computing and physics-informed AI for multi-scale modeling. Sustainability is at our heart of our mission. We focus on engineering solutions for a net zero future, specifically targeting energy efficiency and circular economy. One of our flagship projects is the Sustainable Tropic Data Center Testbed, STDCT. We are also revolutionizing thermal management for tropic climates through two-phase cooling and personalized radiative cooling textiles. We are also pioneering decarbonization technologies such as hydrogen energy, carbon capture, and non-flammable batteries, as well as developing smart recycling systems to support circular manufacturing. Now, let's talk about how you can join us. We offer 2 main pathways: coursework-based, This includes This includes our MSc in Mechanical Engineering and MSc in Robotics. Full-time students typically will finish in 1 to 2 years, while part-time students take 2 to 4 years. Research-based. For those who want to dive deep into specific research topic, we offer Master of Engineering, which takes 1 to 3 years, and Doctor of Philosophy and Engineering Doctor, both of which are 3 to 5 years program. Success in our program requires meeting specific milestones. MSc students complete 40 units, which is equivalent to 10 courses with a minimum GPA of 3.0. MEng students take 16 units, equivalent to 4 courses, including at least 2 ME-coded courses with a minimum GPA of 3.0, and must complete a thesis. PhD candidate completes 24 units, 6 courses, pass written and oral qualifying examinations within 24 months, maintaining a minimum GPA of 3.5, and must complete a thesis, pass thesis oral defense. Engineering doctor requirements are slightly higher than 32 units, 8 courses, with 50% of the course focused on technical management subjects. To prepare you for the industrial leadership, engineering doctor also requires a minimum GPA of 3.5 and must complete a thesis and pass thesis oral defense as well. Common question is, what is difference between PhD and an engineering doctor? The PhD is designed to develop future researchers and engineers. PhD candidates work primarily in university labs on a single cohesive line of investigation in the proposed topic. The engineering doctor, on the other hand, is aimed at developing personnel for deep tech translational products. These students spend over 50% their time at a sponsored company, and their thesis is often a portfolio of related projects, patents, and technical solutions. The coursework for engineering doctor students has a mandatory focus on technological management. We have 2 intakes per year. January intake with application open in July and August. August intake with application opens from October to February. For MEng, you need at least a second-class lower honor degree. For PhD or a scholarship, a second-class upper honors degree is required. If your native language is not English, a TOEFL score at least 85 or an IELTS score at least 6 is necessary. All applications must be submitted through our online graduate admission system. Where can a graduate degree from NUS Mechanical Engineering take you? The possibilities are vast. You could go to R&D as an industrial researcher or university professor. You could enter manufacturing and logistics as a production engineer or technical innovator. Other paths, including automotive and aerospace, robotics, and automation, or become a business founder in a startup company. Our graduates are prepared to be leaders and innovators in any sector they choose. Thank you for your time today. We hope this overview has given you a clear picture of what graduate programs in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at NUS has to offer. We look forward to welcoming you to NUS and working together to engineer the future. If you would like to learn more, please scan the QR code on the screen or visit our website at nus.edu.sg/me. Thank you.